Hey everyone, today I'm going to be building and painting the Airspeeder for Star Wars Legion. The box was put in upside down. That was exciting. Not too much assembly required. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But the pieces have nice detail. There's all of the special rules and tokens. So that you can actually play with it. Decided to go with the machine gun instead of the harpoon gun. Thought that looked a little more cool. I then primed it and went over all of the lines with black. Originally I started with this khaki color, this sand color. Didn't really like the way it looked, so I redid it with more of a bluish gray. I went in with Nuln oil to add some depth to all the recesses. And then masked off everywhere I didn't want to be yellow, which was pretty much everywhere. This is the same yellow that I used as an accent color for my rebels. I really like the way this yellow color looks with the rest of the rebel outfit. I think it's nice. Opening this up was like a Christmas present. Super happy with how it turned out. Continue adding little details here and there. And then I went through with the gray color, painted over some of the yellow to make it look like the paint was chipping away. Painted the windows with a dark blue at the bottom, up to a light blue at the top. Decided to try two different methods of cleaning the firing arc lines on this base. First method with this masking tape worked beautifully. The other one, not so much. I used a glue water mixture to seal the base. When that was dry, I masked it and painted it in the same color scheme that I did with my rebels. I added some weathering, like this thing had been flying through the desert for a while. I finished up with some highlights on all the little edges, just to give them a little pop. And that was it. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you all next time.